Hey boo, and welcome to my small living room apartment tour. All right, the first thing that I want to share with you is that I love this black wall steel, and I love the fact that I have the paint going from the ceiling to the floor. Never highlight baseboards that are not elaborate. After that, I really don't have much going on this side because I have a lot going on the other side, so I'll show you more in detail. So this wall is basically the media wall. All you have is the black television, the sound bar, and the TV stand. And the TV stand acts as storage as well as a little place to add my decor. And the theme of this wall is black, wood tones, gold, and a little bit of texture. And a little bit of greenery because every space needs it. So the biggest change that I made was to bring this bookcase from out of my room into the living room because this is a very long wall and I wanted to break it up with the bookcase. So I have this bookcase that houses all of my new books. I'm trying to build up my collection. And then I also have storage down here. So here I have, like I said, my storage boxes with different information in each one. So at the top, I like to store things that are aesthetically pleasing and, showcase some of my books that I have found, which is very nice, as well as my candles and different decor. Oh, and I keep my sunglasses in here. These are my prescription sunglasses, which I really, really like, especially in the morning when I have to run somewhere because I'm in sunny Florida. And then at the top, I just have more books. So that was the biggest change that I made because before there was a open shelf here and I moved that open shelf to my office. So I needed to put something else here, and I actually got a bigger bed, so I needed to make more space in my bedroom. So the solution was to bring this bookcase from out of my bedroom into the living room, and it worked out very well. And I purchased all of the bookcase stuff from IKEA. Now moving on to this side, these shelves are from Lowe's or Home Depot. I cannot remember either one. I want to say Lowe's, but if you don't find it at Lowe's, it's definitely at Home Depot. And I've had these floating shelves for a while. I really like them. They're very sturdy, and I like that they're not super thick. They're the perfect height. And behind the shelves, I have this wallpaper that I purchased from Lowe's. And the wallpaper is not peel and stick. It is a traditional wallpaper and it's paintable. So here's what I did. If you are not new to the channel, then you've probably seen this video. If you haven't, I will try to link it. So here's what I did. I went to Home Depot and I purchased a poly wall, and I applied it to the wall behind here using just like 4 nails. Once the poly wall was up, then I used spray adhesive to apply the wallpaper to the poly wall. And that is how I was able to get this textured wallpaper in the back. Moving up to the shelves, this is a fragrance sprayer, which is really nice. It's a DIY room scent that I added in here. But this is from Hobby Lobby, and I love the color and I love the tassel and just the aesthetic of this pump. So I put it up here. And I've had this Starburst for a while. This is from Home Goods. This picture is from Home Goods. It was in the clearance section for 20 bucks, which is amazing. And then this chair is the newest addition to my living room. I purchased this chair from Home Goods, and the story behind this chair is that I overpaid. I was a little upset because I've been in Home Goods quite frequently over the last few months because I've been sourcing for another project that I'm working on. And I went one night, saw the chair, immediately knew that I wanted it, came, bought the chair, got it home, loved it. Went back to look for something else, and the chair was marked down $100. And of course, when I got home and looked at my receipt, it had been over 30 days, so I missed out. But I love this chair. As you can see, if you pull it out and you sit down, you can recline, and it pushes back like this, which is really nice. And so that was the inspiration behind this little reading nook, because I already had the bookcase here. I have been purchasing more and more books, and there was a desk here before that was not being utilized since I have an office now. And I said, you know what? I want to add more seating to the space. So I'm going to create a reading nook, and that's what I did for this space. So this is my lovely chair that I absolutely love. This is the only recliner that I think I could tolerate. I cannot stand the old recliners with those big puffy headrests. I cannot stand them. So this one is perfect for me. And then I have this really soft throw blanket from Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. I found this one at Home Goods, and then I have another one that is identical, and that one is from TJ Maxx. And this, I've talked about this before. This is like bae for real. Like, if you don't have nobody to cuddle with, this is giving cuddle vibes, okay? One of my favorite pieces in the living room. And then I purchased this floor lamp a long time ago at IKEA. It's been in my son's room. It's been over here next to the couch. Now it's over here. Eventually, I do want to change out this lamp, but it's just not in the budget right now, so we're gonna have to make this work. And I purchased this hexagon side table from Home Goods a while ago. The moment I saw it, I knew it was for me. And this table has been in my third bedroom, as well as over near the couch. Now it's here to complete my little reading nook. So this is the newest area of my living room. And like I said, it's very comfortable and it's functional, and I'm happy that I changed out the space so that it can be utilized instead of just looking pretty. Now, I apologize for the change in lighting because I am trying to film against the window, but I wanted to show you my window treatments. So we're gonna start all the way at the top. I've always had this oversized curtain rod from West Elm. However, before I had just regular curtains, and recently, and when I say recently, I mean within the last year, I DIY'd some pinch pleat curtains and added curtain rings to the top, and I absolutely love them. I feel like it made the space just feel so much grander. And I've also added privacy film, like I mentioned earlier, which this is a game changer. Like, I really love this stuff because it just provides so much privacy and it makes the light brighter. And then I also added roller shades. So at night, if I don't want people to be able to see in and, you know, see the silhouettes of me and my family, then I can pull this down and have complete privacy. And it comes all the way down, and to pull it back up, just pull it all the way down and up it goes. So I had to install two, one for each window. And that is my window treatments. I love them. Yeah, it doesn't feel basic and it doesn't feel like I am in an apartment. Moving on to the artwork, I DIY'd this really large picture from 3 canvases that I purchased from Michael's Arts and Crafts, and it came out amazing. It fills the space. I absolutely love it. It will always be with me because I created it. And this side of the living room is fairly new. I have a mixture of old and new items, and the setup is still the same. It is not much that you can do with the sectional, so, you know, it has to stay the way it is. But the biggest change that I made was changing out my coffee table. Before, I had the circle 2-tiered coffee table, and I found this one at Home Goods, and I actually found it twice. The first time that I saw this coffee table, it was on sale for $99.99 at Home Goods. And then because I've been searching for stuff for my other project, I went to a different Home Goods and saw the same exact table for $79. So you already know what I did. Took that $99.99 back and purchased the $79.99. So this is from Home Goods, And I looked this table up online. The original table is $2,000 online, which is crazy. And then I have my coffee table books, which is the Prince book. He looks so fabulous on anybody's table, I'm just saying. And then I have the Kobe Mamba Mentality book, which is really nice. When I first started getting a lot of traffic on my YouTube channel, I had a few people DM me talking about I need to have more African American books, and I'm just like, okay, pump your brakes. Let me find them first, okay? So I have some African American books in my house. And then I have some a marble tray, marble coasters, and they're in a cream color. And I purchased these a long time ago from Home Goods, as well as this really beautiful glass and gold box that I purchased from Target a while ago. And I keep my remote controls in there. And then on the other side, I have this really pretty crystal flower candle holder that I purchased from Z Gallery, and I have a oversized candle that I purchased from Target sitting inside of it. And this was actually on sale because it was missing a petal. So I was like, I'll take it. This is actually a purse that I purchased from Zara not too long ago. But the more I look at it, I'm like, is it a purse or is it decor? You let me know. I like it as both. So I have been using it on my coffee table because I'm in love with the pattern. All right, so nothing really to report differently about the couch. You've seen this sofa before. The only difference is I added different artwork above the sofa. Before I had a circle mirror, and I wanted to add the circle mirror to the other side of the wall where my entryway is, and so that left this wall blank, and it has been blank for a while. I have purchased so many different pieces of artwork that I absolutely hate, and I think I've settled on this for a while because it has the geometric tribal kind of vibe that I was going for, but I'm not finished. I'm gonna do something else to it. I just have not had the time. So the way that I created this little artwork is by adding some molding that I purchased from Home Depot to make a big square. And then inside of the square, I hung up the metal pieces of artwork, which is from Home Goods, both of them. And I just used some push pins from the Dollar Tree. And I know they're visible now, but once I finish with the entire project, you won't be able to see it. So that'll be coming soon. And then I also added some lights down here, which is really nice at night because it shines up. You can't really see a big difference on the metal, but it gives the couch a really nice vibe. And then this pillow is from Home Goods. This pillow is from Home Goods, I want to say. And then this pillow cover is from Amazon. And then I have this same blanket over on my chair. Remember, I purchased one from TJ Maxx and one from Home Goods. And then the other difference is my rug. This rug is from Ross, and I got a good deal. It was only $105, so I had to get it. And I moved the other rug that was in here in my bedroom because I didn't have one, and I just do not like getting out of the bed and stepping on tile floor. So that was really a good move to purchase this one and put the older rug in the bedroom, which works well. And then last but not least, I added these picture frames here. I purchased these from Hobby Lobby. They were in the clearance section. This one was $4, and then this one was $5. This is the artwork that I had in my bedroom. I just repurposed it in the living room. And this is a DIY that I did. I added some wood to the wall and then added hinges to the wood to cover up this very old, outdated thermostat. It doesn't completely cover it, which is nice because as you can see, it's open all around. This just acts as a book cover for it. And I think it does its job. I like the fact that I'm looking at a photo and not this old, outdated thermostat. All right, so let me know what you think about my updated living room tour. Like I said, I didn't do a whole lot of changes, just mainly changed the style and the functionality, because before, I will be honest, I think my living room was prettier than it was functional, and I would prefer to have a more functional and comfortable home over a stylish home any day. So that is my updated tour. Let me know if you want to see a dining room tour or a updated kitchen tour, because I have changed that side of the apartment to fit this design style. So let me know if you want to see it. All right, if you are looking for any assistance with your small rental space, then head on over to www.waynaworld.com, where you can sign up for a really cool ebook that will walk you through all the steps that I have done to create a space that I love. And you can also check my website out and see what I like to purchase if you're looking for some design inspiration. All right, as always, don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will see you on my next upload. All right, later, boo.